I have the rear side of my deck lid cleaned off and derusted. So what I'm going to do is, as you know from my last video, I'm going to put some layout fluid on this side, and I'm going to start shrinking from the reverse and kind of flexing between the reverse side and the front side, so that I can actually raise the blue areas and then lower the silver areas. So I'm going to apply some layout fluid to it right now. Hold on. Okay, here's the layout fluid. I'm going to put a light coat on it. Okay, and I'm going to let that dry, then I'm going to sand it to get the high spots on the reverse side. And while I'm at it, sorry for all the jiggling, I'm going to turn it over and put another coat on this side so I can get a fresh sand down. So I'll let both sides dry. And then sand it down to find out the high and low spots. Okay?